everyone. I hope you guys have had a blessed day. Today is Sunday, December 15th. Anyway, today I wanted to just, I'm going to play a clip after this, but I've been running into people throughout my week and just trying to explain to them why is it so important to save money. Not even to just save for an event or something, but just to save as an adult, so that when, not if, when something happens and you need to face it financially, you can face it with money you've already saved up and not having to try to take out loans or figure out why or where you're gonna get the money from. So today Sunday we had cookie decoration day. My wife baked a crap ton of cookies, and we had our neighbors over, and we just kind of just decorated cookies and had fun. But one of the main things that we do with money once we save it is utilize it to essentially buy back some of our time. So instead of spending all of our time gone and having to work Monday through Sunday, not to mention right now where I've been working 7 days just because I like to work, and plus it's the holidays, so I'm just kind of stacking up some extra. But normally, about what 9 months out of the year, we don't work 7 days a week. What? My wife is eating the frosting out of the cone. She made some pretty good frosting, and the Abbotts came over. We had a great time, but we typically work 5 days a week, and the rest of that time, especially the weekend time, is devoted. Saturday and Sunday is devoted for family time and quality time and time with God and things of that nature. The camera is on. Okay, I didn't know if you wanted to be seen in that. She had cooked. She baked like a crap ton of cookies today. So she has cookie dough, and then she helped my daughter with the frosting and icing. Let me see the cookies. Oh, you wrapped them up. I wrapped all of them up. Let me see Trey's cookies. They're in the container. So we got some cookies that my son finished or decorated. They're super weird. So if you guys, I don't know if it's too bright. Let me see, baby. Can you guys see? That's one of the cookies that he decorated. Yes, they're weird, but they're delicious cookies. It's extremely sweet. But anyway, we do things like that in this Hilliard household because financially we can. We worked extremely hard over the last few years to make sure that we can spend quality time with our children as a family, and it's solely because God has given us the ability to gain wealth. It tells you in Deuteronomy chapter 8, verse 11. 11, actually verse 11 through 30, but it tells you that I am the Lord your God who has given you the ability to gain wealth. He says when you build beautiful homes, when your family increases, when your gold increases, when your silver increases, don't forget that I'm the Lord your God who has given you the ability to obtain or gain that wealth. So God wakes me up every morning, excuse me, and with my health and strength, I go to work, provide for my family, and me and my wife are good stewards of. Why are you eating my eyeballs? Me and my wife are good stewards of our money, so we budget, we live on a budget, and we live within our means. We just don't spend all of our money looking fake rich. Our goal is to use that money to spend time with our family and not have to jump up and, I got to work and go pay bills. I got to go work. Our goal is to spend time. So I was going to, she finna bite it now. I was finna show you this cookie. I have some leftover eyeballs that my neighbor, Miss Katie, left for me. Those eyeballs, they're edible. and my wife just took some and put them on a pile of red stuff with a bow tie. I guess it was a retarded Christmas Santa Claus. I mean,
it was a gingerbread man and his leg broke off.
Oh yeah, I see it from the. He was a gingerbread man, but his leg and arm obviously broke off. Oh, you bit his arm off. Anyway, gingerbread man. Here you go. Anyway, that's what we've been doing today. Making cookies, decorating cookies. My wife made the cookies. We just decorate them, and then she made some of her famous, world famous, stupid macaroons. They're horrible. They're not worth eating, but they're good. But anyway, but that's what we do with our time, guys. We spend it with our families. Um, but this clip I'm gonna show at the end of this video is essentially just something about saving and why you should save. Um, one thing, would you say one saving gave you more confidence when at work dealing with a boss? Mm-hmm. Like you knew you did.
You have the ability to walk away.
You have the ability to walk away, or
when things don't line up with your morals or ethics.
So essentially, if your boss being a douchebag, you go, okay, you know what? I'm gonna find me somewhere else to work, and you can leave and go somewhere else, knowing that you have a few $1,000s. You have 3 months, 6 months emergency fund in the bank, knowing that you can find another job and still continue to pay your bills because you have an emergency fund. You don't have to take stupid stuff. You don't have to deal with horrible bosses and supervisors and things of that nature. So for me, that's what money helped me do. I can take a lower paying job with better hours. That's what I was able to do. I take a lower paying job because I could go back into my career field, but it pays more. But the hours are horrible. I ain't gonna lie to you. Corrections and law enforcement right now, the hours that I would lose spending with my family, I don't want. I prefer to have the hours with my family and making $21 an hour doing something simple than um, having all my time filled at work, but I'm making $39 an hour. So that's just where we are with our finances right now. So with this clip, just check out the clip at the end of this video, and it'll kind of guide what I'm talking about. But I just want more people, especially more black men and fathers, to understand like we have to teach our children good money habits. If we don't have good money habits, they won't have good money habits because it's called generational poverty for a reason. That means your children's children should they watch, they learn from you. So I learned from my mom and dad money habits. My mom and dad learned from their mom and dad money habits, and my children are learning from me money habits. So I mean, you see how it trickles down, and now my money habits, along with me and my wife, are drastic. I mean, just drastically different than what I grew up doing. And I actually like being confident dealing with finances just enough to teach people how I built my good money habits. And that's what I'm trying to do. You hear my kids yelling in the background, so they're running upstairs. Charlie, be careful. We said, Charlie, be careful now, and next thing we know, we're gonna hurt. She gonna fall down the stairs and then start crying. Mama, told you to be careful. But anyway, like I said, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this clip. Just understand that anything you do consistently over time becomes a habit. Meaning, if you consistently put up $25 a paycheck or $25 a week, you'll consistently do that. And it'll become a habit, and it'll be easier. So, one of the goals that if you put up 600, if you get paid every week, once a week, 4 times a month, or 5, sometimes 2 months you get like 5 paychecks. But if you get paid on average 4 times a month, so once a week, if you save 600, if you move over $657 in your savings account or somewhere every time you get paid, 4 times a month, you will come up with about $10,500, a little bit over. Hold on, let me do my math. Probably should have done my math before I started yelling out numbers. 657. Hold on, but it's what helps build that wealth. What I say, 657. Um, yeah, $10,512. But I lost my train of thought. I was saying something. Crap. I forgot what I was about to say. But like I said, guys, you got to build that habit. If you build a habit of saving money, it'll get easier and easier. If you make it consistent where you spend your money and all your money, you're paid on Friday and you're broke by Monday because you're eating out, and you're telling yourself, well, at least I can't buy no, I ain't got much money, at least I can eat good. No, you're gonna go broke. At least you can eat good. You're gonna eat good for all of 10 minutes it takes you to eat the food, and now you're broke. You're $40 in the hole, or you spent $20 on some chicken, or you spend money on wing, or you stop eating out so much. You'll save a lot of money if you just go to the grocery store, buy food, bring your food, bring your lunch, and just try to save some money. So $657 a week totals up for 4 months is $10,512. That's doable if you're making over $1,000 a week. That's just like that's definitely doable, and that'll be $2,628 a month. So it's easy in theory, but when it comes down to physically saving their money and moving it over that amount, it depends on the individual if you have discipline or not. So check out this video at the end of this. I'm gonna deal with my daughter and my son and my wife, and we're gonna finish having fun running around. He got a real issue. And then I'll see you. Put your comments in the comment section. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We truly appreciate all of you guys for rocking with us. We thank you so much. I need to share you too. We got what, Charlie? My daughter's dragging a baby doll and hollering about we got candy. So I don't know. So you guys have a blessed night. Please enjoy this video. Please teach your children about money. We are our non-ACER program, nonprofit ACER, A Step into Reality. It's for kids, and we teach young people from the ages like 13 on up about money. We teach from Dave Ramsey's principles about money, which is like the Dave Ramsey's Financial Peace for Kids. And if you want to get your child involved and you're local, please email us. Go to our website, JT's Vending Services LLC, JT's Vending Service for you.com. That's the website. You can send us an email from the website. Now you have to be local. And we typically, we'll come to you or we'll set up a meeting point. We don't have a building or anything, but we love talking to young kids about money and teaching them like the good money habits, because that's what they don't learn. They learn bad money habits and then they grow up in the broke and poor. So have a blessed day. Please enjoy this video. Leave your comments in the comment section. Have a blessed night. Be safe. Au revoir. A bientôt. Allez, prochaine.
Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that's near and dear to our hearts: why you should save money. So, let's dive right in. First and foremost, saving money is all about debt reduction. By saving, you can pay off your debts faster and reduce the overall amount you owe. This can help you become debt-free sooner and improve your financial health. Now, let's talk about frugal living. Saving money means living below your means. It's about being content with what you have and not constantly chasing after the latest trends or gadgets. This can help you build a strong financial foundation and prepare for unexpected expenses. Another important aspect of saving money is expense tracking. By keeping track of your expenses, you can identify areas where you can cut back and save more. This can help you create a realistic budget and stick to it. Speaking of budgets, saving money is all about budgeting. By creating a budget and sticking to it, you can ensure that your income is going towards your needs and not your wants. This can help you save more and live a more financially secure life. Finally, saving money is all about retirement savings and investing. By saving and investing wisely, you can build a nest egg for your retirement and ensure a comfortable lifestyle in your golden years. So, there you have it. Saving money is all about debt reduction, frugal living, expense tracking, budgeting, and investing. By embracing these principles, you can become more confident at work, have more options to change a dead-end job or career, and lead a more financially secure life. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content. Until next time, happy saving!